God, it was fantastic! I can't believe we done it again. I'm so happy. Oh, the chills.
Fantastic, absolutely unbelievable. I didn't think Chelsea would do it, but they really came through well. What a game, unbelievable, yeah.
Best night of our lives. My dad and I come out here for our first European final, and to win the trophy in that manner was unbelievable.
The crowd got us through so well. The crowd were behind the team, everyone got behind the team in the second half, and it just pushed us through the line.